John, who's our next player?
Bob is Charles Hastings. Come on down. You're the next contestant on The Price is Right.
Hello, Charles. Pleasure to have you with us. Would you please show us the next item up for bids?
It's a comfortable sofa sleeper. Lazy Boys Lazy Sleeper Sleep Sofa offers a wide variety of fabrics suitable for any decor. Built with true Lazy Boy quality, it offers elegance by day and comfort by night.
Bid on that, Charles.
I'll say 900.
$900, Cassandra.
$7.99.
$7.99, Laura.
$8.25.
$825, and I go to Arthur. Give me your bid, Arthur.
$826.
$826. The actual retail price is $1,040. You win, Charles. Charles wins. Charles, will you follow me? Take you right back here. Right back here where we have the pricing game all ready for you. Charles, look. I beg your pardon?
A new set of golf clubs.
A new set of golf clubs? Well, let's see what we have back here. Open the door. Oh, we have the safe crackers game. There are 2 prizes in there. Swing that door open, Diane. There may be golf clubs in there. Let's find out.
First, an exciting trip to Switzerland. We'll fly 2 of your round-trip air coach from Los Angeles to Switzerland for a 6-night stay at the Atlantis Sheraton Hotel in Zurich. Your hotel will be near mountains, a lake, open parklands, and woods. You'll enjoy superb Swiss service. The Atlantis Sheraton Hotel in Zurich. And a 2-piece set of luggage. Lamb Leather Collection. Genuine top-grain chrome tanned leather, soft, durable, and cast brass hardware. Fully lined, manufactured and distributed by Land Industries Incorporated. It's a prize package worth $5,533.
Close that safe and lock it up. The price of that luggage there is the same as the combination of this safe. Keep that thought in mind and step over here. In the price of that luggage, there is a 2, a 3, and a 5. Now, step right over here for a moment. Will you please, Charles, on my left, so folks at home can see what we're going to do. I want you to set the first dial on the first number in that price, the second on the second, and the third on the third. That'll be the combination of the safe, and you're a winner. Now get busy. First number in the price of that second prize. Use each number only once. 300, okay, what do you want there? That's a 2, is that what you want? Okay, then you got the 5 left for the last one. Very good. Turn that wheel. Turn that wheel and pull on that handle. And you're a winner. You're on your way to Switzerland. You'll have to wait for the showcase at the end of the show to win the golf club. Okay. Thank you, Charles. There's more Price is Right coming up.
Stay tuned for more question games, and the fabulous showcase is coming up.